Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a project to your portfolio on Wix, an extremely user-friendly and powerful platform for showcasing your work. Whether you're a designer, photographer, writer, or any other creative professional, Wix offers the tools to present your projects in the best light possible. Get comfortable as we navigate this process together in a few easy steps. We initiate this process from your site's dashboard. Here, take a moment to locate the Portfolio tab, positioned conveniently on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you find it, proceed to click on it. This action will lead you straight to the Portfolio Manager. The Portfolio Manager is essentially your command center for managing all your projects and collections. Here, you can view everything at a glance and make necessary changes as you wish. Tip: the Portfolio Manager makes it easy to organize your work by categorizing it into collections. This feature is especially helpful if you have multiple types of work, such as branding projects, photography, or digital illustrations. You can create different categories for each type of project and showcase them in a way that's tailored to your audience. The next step, and probably the most exciting one, involves adding a new project. To do this, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the Manager screen, and you will discover a button labeled Add Project. A single click on this button sets you into project creation mode. Once you've initiated the adding of a new project, you'll be prompted to provide some details about the project. The first piece of information required is the title of your project. Take time to enter a relevant and catchy title that accurately signifies the essence of your project. A good title can draw attention, so make sure it's descriptive and appealing. Try to incorporate keywords that potential clients or collaborators might search for, as this will help improve the visibility of your portfolio on search engines. Thereafter, you are required to write a description. This is your chance to elaborate on your project, offering necessary details that capture its scope, purpose, and achievements. Think of this as your opportunity to tell the story behind the project. What challenges did you overcome? What skills did you develop? Why is this project meaningful to you? Now, here's a wonderful little nugget for those who are not so comfortable with crafting words. Wix provides you an AI option to generate a description for you. This can save you time and ensure your description is polished and professional. In addition to the title and description, Wix further facilitates adding some basic information about your project. It's not mandatory, but you can choose to provide specific project details, such as the type of project, date, and location, if applicable. These details can add context to your project and make it easier for potential clients or collaborators to understand its background. With the basic information all set, now comes the visually appealing part, adding media to your project. Simply click on Add Media, or if you are more comfortable with drag and drop, the choice is yours. Upload your project-related images, videos, or other relevant media directly from your computer. This is where you can really showcase your work and let your creativity shine. When uploading media, make sure to choose high-quality images and videos that reflect your work accurately. Wix allows you to upload multiple media files, so feel free to include behind-the-scenes shots, process videos, or even time-lapse videos if they help tell the story of your project. Alternatively, you might want to import media from your Wix Media Manager. Just a little heads up, the first image you add is automatically assigned as the cover image of your project. This cover image is the first thing visitors will see, so make sure it's eye-catching and relevant to the project. Finally, once all the details have been furnished, take a deep breath and click Done. Congratulations! You have successfully added a new project to your portfolio. It will now be visible on your portfolio page for all to see. Make sure to regularly update your portfolio with new projects, as this keeps your page fresh and reflects your ongoing growth as a creative professional. Wix makes it easy to edit and rearrange your projects, so feel free to make adjustments as you see fit. Remember, the advantage of digital content is that you can always edit it. If you wish to make further customizations to your project, you can simply return to the Manage Project section and tweak it as necessary. And that's it, folks. Now that you know how to add a new portfolio project with Wix, explore this wonderful feature to showcase your best work on your website. Keep adding and updating your portfolio to target more opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.